Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 2.1-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Suzuki Jimny 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It will come with the instant part with the screw. This right and this left part. You can check. Screws. Okay. It will come with special harness. You can check. Jimny power cable. Jimny power cable. Okay. This is factory backup camera adapter. This is radio antenna. And this connector you can check. Okay. It will come with head units. So it's plug and play. Okay. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose time, Belsee, and the logo. You can select or below it. And theme editor, you can change the color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, all apps are here. This DSP amplifier. Okay, it's built-in speed play for Android Auto and CarPlay. This plug and play. Okay, and you can watch video on YouTube. Built-in Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. This maps. And check the settings. You can check it's built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi and support 4G hotspot. Storage, you can check total 64 GB. About motion, you can check the PX5 Android 10 system. Okay. And Wi-Fi already connected. You can check this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay. This is Bluetooth. And let me show Bluetooth at first. Please connect the Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth. Okay, click search. You will get phone connecting. You can enable and connect it again. This pin number auto connect. Strange. Okay, you can put the pin number 40. Okay, pair the changed color Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with stream music, and let me show. With music, the head unit comes with two USB cables. Connect this USB driver, connect one of USB. USB 1. The amplifier. You can change the DSP, this DSP amplifier. Okay, And video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, and they will change the color, button color at first from settings. No, it's personal settings, LED settings, gray, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Drum settings, turn on the watch video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.